Hello friends, this is Satyendra, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can prepare for front-end interview, or even if you are preparing for web developer interview, then this process is mostly going to be similar. So ये वीडियो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है और इस वीडियो में हम कंप्लीट प्रोसेस एंड ईच स्टेप्स के बारे में डिटेल्स में बात करेंगे. So before begin this video, I would like to introduce myself. As I said, I am Satyendra Pandit. I am a software engineer by profession and electronics engineer by degree. So let's begin this video. So the first process that involves is that getting a call from recruiter. So they would be explaining you the details or job profile for which they are hiring for. So based on your interest, they would be shortlisting your profile and then they would be calling you for the technical interview. So the first step in the technical interview is telephonic round. So in that telephonic round, the interviewer would be expecting from you that you should be aware of basic JavaScript framework or tools and technology on which you have worked. So the questions would be mostly from easy to medium level. So ये round काफी important हो जाता है. Now going to the other side, like in some companies, in Microsoft or in Zomato, Swiggy, they would be conducting this machine coding round. So in machine coding round, they would give you an assignment or a problem where they would be giving you 4 or 5 features, and you have to develop those functionalities from scratch, and you have to write the code in a vanilla or a pure JavaScript. There you are not allowed to use any external framework or library like React or Angular. So इस machine coding के through they would be checking your proficiency in syntax level पे आपकी proficiency क्या है, and how you are structuring your project, how you are writing your function and all. So ये round काफी important हो जाता है. So in some companies they would be taking either technical telephonic interview or machine coding interview. So this is our first step. Now the second step, if you are able to clear the first round, is that problem solving round, which mainly focus on data structure and algorithm. So आप सोच रहे होंगे कि you are a front end engineer or a web developer, then why they are asking the question related to data structure and algorithm. So यहाँ पर डरने की बात नहीं है. They would be asking basic question from data structure and algorithm, and they would not be expecting to go in more detail regarding implementation of graph, tree, binary search tree, or DFS and BFS algorithms and all. So from this round they would be expecting that how you are applying your JavaScript knowledge to solve the questions related to data structure algorithm. So वहाँ पे वो आपकी thinking process को check करते हैं and how you are optimizing that solution to reach optimal solution. वहाँ पे analytical skills भी वो देखते हैं कि किस तरीके से आप how you are dealing the problem. Now coming to the third round, if you are able to clear the second round successfully, so the third round is the problem solving round 2, in which they would be focusing in more detail regarding your knowledge of JavaScript. So there they might be asking the question related to closure, a higher order function, or even they would be going and ask you a problem related to a real world project. So for an example, they would be asking a question that in what format you would be expecting the API JSON structure for a particular problem. Let's say न्यूज फेसबुक की न्यूज फीड बनानी है और आप से वो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि किस तरीके से आप API स्ट्रक्चर मांगोगे बैकएंड से, एंड देयर you need to describe the whole JSON, and thereon they would be going in more detail and asking you to optimize that JSON structure. So that is really important. Now if you are able to clear this third round, then you would be moving to the fourth round, that is called system design round, and this is basically focusing on a UI. So this is also called UI system design round. So in this they would be asking a question maybe related like how you will going to design the UI of a Google Calendar or a Outlook calendar, and they would be expecting that you need to write a top level view of a function, and how you are coming to the constraint and how you are dealing with the features. For an example, they may ask, they may simply say design a Google Calendar, but you have to come forward and you have to ask that what features that calendar is going to take, and what parameters a particular function will take. Now third question might be what are the constraints. So all you have to come if interviewer is not giving you explicitly, right? So this round is really important if you are targeting a top giant like Google or Microsoft. So वहाँ पे ये round काफी important हो जाती है, and if you are able to clear all these 4 rounds, then you would be going to the next round, that is the round 5, and they would be asking a question related to web technologies, tools and framework on which you have worked. So this round is really important because here they would be testing your real knowledge of your real knowledge on how you have worked in your past companies, and how proficient enough you are in that particular framework or tools and technologies. For an example, if you are a front-end developer working in React, then they would be asking a question related to React, or maybe if you are working with Angular, then they would be expecting the same from you. If you are able to clear this round, which is really important if you want to get the offer, then you would be moving to the round 6, that is the hiring manager round. So this round is really important because here you would be directly interacting with the project manager. Maybe you would be working in the same team, so he might be explaining you the details of the project, complexity of the project, and what tech structures they are using, or even they would he would expect you to ask the question. So this round can be a discussion kind of a round, but it can be also a semi-technical round where he might come based on your based on the feedback of your earlier round. He might be asking the question related to problem solving or data structure. He might ask a question related to JavaScript or web technology or tools and framework. So he might ask anything that if he is having any doubt or anything, right? So if you are able to clear all these 6 round, then you would be going for the round that is non-technical, where HR will come and discuss all the details. If इस राउंड में आपसे वो सैलरी एंड ऑल की बात करेंगे, right? So in nutshell, there are 6 process. In some companies it could be 4, it could be 5, so it depends, but mostly ये जो मैंने बात करी 6 राउंड की, ये मोस्टली सेम ही होने वाली है. So I hope you like this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do like and subscribe this channel to encourage me. And also I am planning to make a series on a JavaScript interview questions, where I would be coming up the interview question and would be explaining that question in more detail, so that it would be helpful for you, for preparing. With this, I would like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching.